Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DHA Education System. Today we are going to start on lesson number 5 for C1 History. Before starting our next topic, we are going to revise our previous lesson, which was about our second spiritual leader, whose name was Sayyid Ahmad Shahid Barelvi. We studied about Sayyid Ahmad Shahid Barelvi, in which early biographical detail was there, his birth, education, life after education, beliefs, jihad movement, objectives of Mujahideen movement, Battle of Balakot, and in 1831, in which Sayyid Ahmad Shahid Barelvi, during the battle, he murdered. We also studied about the importance of his work, and at the end we concluded our topic. Now this lesson is about Haji Sharidullah, in which we will study about, at the end, explain the beliefs and work of Haji Sharidullah and his main contribution in revival of Islam in India. We will identify the reforms of Haji Sharidullah. We will describe the role of Haji Sharidullah in Faraizi movement for Muslims' rights, especially in Bengal. Before going in detail, we will just have a look in main content related to Haji Sharidullah, in which we will study about his introduction, birth, early life, life in Arabia, about his beliefs, works, Faraizi movement, objectives of Faraizi movement, and Darul Harb, which was a term utilized by Haji Sharidullah for the Muslims in India. And then after his death, his son Dadu Mian, whose real name was Mohsinuddin, continued his work. And at the end, we will look on legacy. First is introduction. Haji Sharidullah was an eminent Islamic reformer of the Indian subcontinent in British India. He is known for founding the Faraizi movement. Shariatpur district is named after him. He was born in 1781, Madaripur, Dhaka, Mughal, India, which is now in Dhaka, Bangladesh. He died in 1840 in British India, now in Bangladesh, and his nationality is Bengali. He was famous for his movement, which was known as Faraizi movement. His son Mohsinuddin, who was famous for Dadu Mian, continued his work after his death. Now early life. Haji Sharidullah was born in 1781 into a petty talukdar family at the village Shumair under the then Madaripur sub-district of Greater Faridpur district in Bengal. His father, Abdul Jalil Talukdar, was a farmer who was not very well off. He died when Sharidullah was 8 years old. After his primary education, he went to Kolkata and was admitted to Barasat Alia Madrasa. He then received education from famous madrasa of Purpura Sharif, Murshidabad. In 1799, Haji Sharidullah traveled to Arabia. He stayed there until 1818 and got his religious education. He learned there Arabic, Persian from his teacher Maulana Basharat. During his stay in Arabia, he was influenced by the Nashti Dawa started by Muhammad bin Abdul Wahhab through Tahirul Sambal Makki. If we talk about the main movement which was started by Haji Sharidullah, it is Faraizi movement. And this movement was founded in 1818 by Haji Sharidullah to give up un-Islamic practices and act upon their duties as Muslims, fard or obligatory. The movement protected the rights of tenants to a great extent. The term Faraizi has been deduced from fard, standing for compulsory and mandatory duties ordained by Allah Almighty. The Faraizis are thus those bunch of men whose only objective is to implement and impose these mandatory religious duties. The promoter and initiator of Raisi movement, Haji Shaidullah, however, had represented the term in a different light and sense, implying to assimilate every religious duty ordained by Quran as well as by the Sunnah of the Prophet, while remaining firmly in Hanafi school of Islamic jurisprudence. The growing popularity of the movement amongst the people of Bengal alarmed the Hindu landlord who harassed all the time Haji Shaidullah and created hurdle in their life. After the death of Haji Shaidullah in 1840, his son Muhammad Mohsin, popularly known as Dadu Mian, organized the movement and carried on the work of his father. He also visited Arabia at an early age but was more politically active than his father. Palang Thana of the district in Dhaka division of was named Shariatpur district, honor of Haji Shaidullah, Bangladesh, issued a postage stamp commemorating him on 10 March 1993. The 450 meters Haji Sharidullah Bridge over the Ariel Khan River on the Mawa Bhanga Highway is named after him. Now let's review the Haji Shaidullah. Keeping in view whole struggle of Haji Shaidullah, we can summarize that there were following major aims of his life: establishment of Islamic State, secondary formation and purification of society from un-Islamic tradition and practices, awareness about Islamic obligatory duties in form of Raisi movement to free the Muslims of Bengal from the evil forces. For further queries, you can email me at nadianazir@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching.